One of the most successful uses of the aircraft on the Eastern Front was cutting the side out of the rear fuselage and taking out the rear seat and putting actually 4 supports in, so you could slide up dogfighting. What they were looking for was turning radius, the ability to turn inside the enemy aircraft, and that is something that Camel excelled at. Tremendously manoeuvrable. Solid triplane started out with just a single Vickers 303 belt-fed water-cooled machine gun on the front cowling. Camel had a variety of armaments, including a pair of Vickers, the most famous arrangement, and sometimes a pair of Vickers and a Lewis, or a single Vickers and a Lewis on the top wing. And now, as they used to say on my favourite television show, for something completely different.
Well, as we await the arrival of the race...
The instructor would literally perch on the rear fuselage while he taxied up and down the airfield until the instructor felt he'd got the feel of it, and then he'd be sent off solo. Just remarkable. Great big skids forward and back. 1912 Blackbird. Unbelievably exciting thing to see, because that is not the replica. That is the oldest